Today's topic is plant cell. We all know that plant cell comes under the eukaryotic cell. That means plant cell has all the characteristics of eukaryotic cells. Characteristics of eukaryotic cell is that it contains membranous nucleus, prominent nucleus and membranous bodies. That is known as organelle. So plant cell have all the organelles and well developed nucleus. We have already learned about the animal cell. Plant cell and animal cell are fundamentally similar in structure and function. Two characteristics of plant cell and animal cell differ from each other. Generally, plant cells are polygonal or hexagonal in shape. I am drawing this hexagonal plant cell. Similar to animal cell, outer layer, this layer is plasma membrane. Plasma membrane in which organelles lies. Plasma membrane. Outside plasma membrane is a wall lies, which is the characteristic of plant cell. Cell wall. Double layer cell wall. Plasma membrane is covered by a cellular cell membrane. Cell wall made up of cellulose. This is the cell wall. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. Cell wall. This opening is known as cell pit. Pit is opening intercellular exchange of material and gases. For intercellular exchange of material and gases. One of the most characteristic feature of plant cell is vacuole. In plant cell, a large single vacuole are found. Vacuole. Vacuole is filled with cell sap. This fluid is known as sap. Sap is made up of water and mineral. Sap is made up of water plus mineral. Single vacuole is found in plant cell, which is filled with sap, and sap is made up of water and mineral. Same type of nucleus as in animal cell is also found in plant cell. That means nucleus is double membranous body, double membranous. Inside nucleus, nucleolus lies. Inside nucleus, nuclear fiber and nuclear matrix are found. Nuclear fiber and matrix, जो कि कॉम्पैक्ट होकर के बाद में क्रोमोसोम बनाते हैं. So, nucleolus, nuclear fiber and matrix together form nucleus. This is nucleus similar as animal cell. Next is Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is slightly far from nucleus in case of plant. मगर ये convex part जो होगा वो nucleus की तरफ ही रहेगा. It is slightly away from the nucleus. Normally in plant it is scattered. Golgi apparatus lies scattered in the cytoplasm. Golgi apparatus. In case of plant cell, it is also known as dictyosome. Dictyosome. In animal cell, it is known as Golgi apparatus, whereas in plant cell, it is known as dictyosome. Lysosome is found, but in less in number than in plant cell. Lysosome, but less number than in animal cell. Less in number. Endoplasmic reticulum is also found in plant cell, which is of two types, same as in animal cell. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Another type of endoplasmic reticulum on which ribosome lies is also found. That is ribosome, which is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. Another microbody is also found in plant cell. Microbody. Which is spherosome, peroxisome and glycooxysome. Spherosome, peroxisome and glycooxysome. Another more specific structure found in plant cell is plastid. Here I am drawing chloroplast. Plastid, one of the plastid is chloroplast, in which chlorophyll found. Chlorophyll found. In the form of stack. Stack is known as grana. ग्रेना के अंदर में क्लोरोफिल होता है. And mitochondria is also found. Mitochondria, depending upon number, varies from cell to cell depending upon the stage and activity of cell. Mitochondria. Cell is filled with cell plasm, cytoplasm. The basic structure of plant cell. अब हर स्ट्रक्चर को प्लांट और एनिमल सेल के सारे ऑर्गेनील को हम सेपरेटली नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, कमिंग वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे.